welcome to Jeep Badlands. I just received the little upgrade for the Jeep. It's the door handle inserts. Gonna unpack it, see what it is and what came with it, and we're gonna see if we put it on the Jeep. Let's unpack it. So they came packed, ordinary grade. They came with the screws, and we're gonna see if we install them. See how it would look on the Jeep. So far they're looking very nice. We get 5 of these, and let's see how we go now. We're gonna go put them on. So this is how it looks. So we out here. I got the door handle inserts. See how we're gonna put them, install them, and everybody has their own way of installing them. I'm gonna use mine, which we'll see right now. We're just gonna grab it, bring it into the edge here, make sure it's real flush, and press down real hard here where you can have the inserts grabbed. Get the screwdriver, obviously, and the screws that came with them. So thank you for visiting Jeep Badlands. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and please subscribe. Let's make this channel grow.